In this video, I'll show you how you can fix a Java exception has occurred. Now the way that we want to fix this is we want to download a development version of the Java. So head over to Google and search for java.com. In here, what you want to do, instead of clicking download Java here, we want to find here where it says, are you a software developer looking for JDK downloads? And click on Java SE Development Kit. In here, we want to make sure that you select the latest version. This one is the 23 version, so I'm just gonna stay on this one. And then what you want to do is come down here and find Windows, or if you're on the Mac, you choose Mac, and find the installer. So click on the one in the middle, which is the installer for me. Click on this one and you'll get a small installer up here, and you're just gonna launch that like when you download the normal Java. And after that, you will have the development SE version of the Java, and that no longer gets the error. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.